seeds, acacia, and usually to understand the viability of the seeds, I'll have to cut them open and see inside the health of the endosperm and the embryo. But using an X-ray machine, we can do the same test without killing the seeds or damaging them. So what we do is just place some of the seeds into the X-ray scanner. The X-ray will go through the seeds and then we'll return an image, and we can easily analyze the image as seeds, if the seeds are healthy, have been predated, and what's the health of the embryo. And this will drastically speed up the process of seed testing and wouldn't harm the seed. So if we zoom in, we can clearly see the seeds that are healthy and filled, and the one that instead have been predated and are no longer viable. So by counting how many seeds look healthy and how many seeds look dead, we can easily get an estimate of the pure life seeds, the viability of the seed batch. And the problem of this machine and this technology is that it's quite expensive. To get one of these is about $100,000. But when you're doing seed testing on thousands, tens of thousands of seed lots, the ability to do it without damaging the seed and do it at a much faster rate might actually compensate for the cost of this machine and eventually allow for a more broad and efficient seed testing for native seeds and restoration.